So we got the maple. So it has a layer of maple stuff, sugar syrup,
Sugar.
and cinnamon on the pastry thingy. So got this funky little light thing. Push the button. At least I think I did. There we go. And then it turned on.
I need more room.
It's got fun little buttons. Adjust it, make it brighter, make it dimmer, change how much light is coming out. Very fun. The usual bar fridge, little coffee maker, microwave.
It is coming up to 5 o'clock.
5? 4.
4.
And then
still, that doesn't give us much time to go.
the other weird thing is these bathroom doors. So you have to slide it together. Let's go on the inside here. Okay, you have to push them all the way closed. But then you're still left with this privacy gap. And like, oh, well, why did they bother with the lock? I don't know.